MongoDB or MySQL? Which is better for data management? A question that has puzzled professionals for years. We're talking about a decision that can significantly influence the efficiency and effectiveness of data handling within an organization. And it's not a one-size-fits-all kind of situation. Each of these database management systems has its unique strengths and weaknesses. Consider MongoDB, a flexible, document-oriented database that shines in handling vast volumes of data. On the other hand, we have MySQL, a relational database management system known for its robustness and reliability. Depending on the specific use case, one might be a better fit than the other. The choice could be influenced by factors such as the complexity of data, the need for scalability, or the requirement for transactional integrity. In the next few minutes, we will delve deep into the pros and cons of both MongoDB and MySQL. Stay tuned as we dissect and discuss these two heavyweights of the data management world. Starting off with MongoDB, a popular NoSQL database with a flexible schema. This dynamism is a major advantage, allowing developers to modify the database structure on the fly without the need to predefine it. This flexibility makes MongoDB an excellent choice for rapid application development and prototyping, but the flexibility is just the beginning. MongoDB's horizontal scalability is a game changer. It can handle significant growth in data volume with ease thanks to its sharding feature. Sharding allows MongoDB to distribute data across multiple servers, improving the performance and allowing for easy expansion. This scalability makes MongoDB a strong contender for big data applications and real-time analytics. Speed is another area where MongoDB shines. Unlike traditional SQL databases, MongoDB uses a binary data format called BSON for storing data. This format allows for faster data access, enhancing the speed of operations. Moreover, MongoDB is a champ when it comes to managing large volumes of unstructured data. It doesn't enforce a particular data structure, giving developers the freedom to store data in a way that makes the most sense for their application. This is particularly useful for handling data from diverse sources like social media feeds, IoT devices, or machine logs. Despite these advantages, MongoDB is not without its drawbacks. MongoDB, while powerful, does have certain limitations. First off, MongoDB does not traditionally support transactions. This can be a hindrance when your application requires a series of operations to be performed as a single atomic unit. Next, MongoDB can struggle with complex queries. While it excels at handling large volumes of unstructured data, it can falter when it comes to executing complex queries that relational databases manage with ease. This can lead to increased development time and resources to work around this limitation. Lastly, let's talk about cost. MongoDB can be more expensive than its counterparts. Its high performance and flexibility come at a price, and running large MongoDB instances can lead to higher operational costs. These are important considerations to keep in mind when choosing a database management system. Now, let's shift our focus to MySQL, a classic in the world of database management systems. MySQL, a traditional SQL database, has been a go-to choice for many for years. It shines brightly in the realm of data management, and for good reason. Let's delve into the reasons why MySQL has held its own against the test of time. A key strength of MySQL is its reliability. MySQL has been around for more than 2 decades, and during that time, it has proven itself to be a dependable workhorse. It performs consistently across a variety of applications, whether they're for small businesses or large corporations, offering a level of assurance that is hard to match. Next up, we have robustness. MySQL is a powerful tool that can handle a vast amount of data. It's designed to withstand heavy loads and still perform optimally. It's a heavyweight champion in the world of databases, able to take on large-scale projects without breaking a sweat. Compatibility is another feather in MySQL's cap. It's compatible with all major operating systems, including Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. This Lastly, MySQL's wide support for complex queries is a significant advantage. It offers a comprehensive set of tools for managing data, including complex SQL queries, which can be a godsend for dealing with intricate data structures. However, like MongoDB, MySQL also has its own share of disadvantages. But before we get to that, let's take a moment to appreciate the many strengths that make MySQL a worthy contender in the data management arena. Despite its popularity, MySQL does come with its own set of challenges. First and foremost, its rigid schema can be a stumbling block for developers. Unlike MongoDB's flexible document-based model, MySQL requires a predefined schema, which means you need to know your data structure well in advance. This lack of flexibility can slow down development and complicate data modifications. Secondly, MySQL can struggle with scalability. While it performs admirably for smaller applications, when it comes to handling massive amounts of data, it can start to falter. This is especially true if your data needs are expected to expand rapidly. Lastly, performance issues can emerge when dealing with large volumes of data. MySQL's read-heavy operations can result in slower processing speeds, which may not be suitable for applications requiring real-time data access. Now that we've examined both MongoDB and MySQL, it's time to summarize our findings. Both MongoDB and MySQL have their own unique strengths and weaknesses. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've discussed today. MongoDB, as a NoSQL database, brings to the table a flexible schema that allows for easy data modification and scalability. It's designed to handle big data and is particularly effective when dealing with diverse data types. However, it's worth noting that MongoDB may not be the optimal choice when it comes to transactions that require multiple operations to be processed as a single unit, due to its lack of support for ACID transactions. On the flip side, MySQL, a SQL database, offers robust ACID-compliant transactions, making it a better fit for applications that require complex queries and high data integrity. MySQL is an established tool with a vast user community, offering a wealth of resources and support. However, it may fall short when it comes to handling big data and diverse data types due to its rigid schema structure and scalability limitations. But remember, there's no definitive winner here. These databases, while different, are tools in your toolkit. The choice between MongoDB and MySQL should hinge on your project's specific needs. Are you dealing with big data and diverse data types? MongoDB might be your best bet. Do you need to process complex transactions with high data integrity? MySQL could be the way to go. Consider the nature of your project, the volume and diversity of your data, the level of support you might need, and the scalability requirements. These factors will guide your decision and help you choose the right tool for your data management needs. In the end, whether you choose MongoDB or MySQL, it all boils down to your specific data management needs. Remember, the best tool is the one that works best for you.